Hello guys, Assalamualaikum dan selamat kembali ke YouTube channel Haris Channel. Welcome to my stream guys. Welcome to my video react game guys. Hari ni kita nak react video game Ananta. Dulu pernah viral, pernah viral. Dulu tak ada nama lagi. Dulu nama dia Project Mugen mula-mula yang viral. Nampakkan anime tapi dia swing Spiderman. Okey, kita tengok dia punya hari ni dah keluar dia punya game, dia dah keluar beberapa hari lepas dah keluar dia punya gameplay trailer, kita tengok sama-sama guys. Let's go. Let's go guys, Ananta. Okay. Are you ready guys? Are you ready? 3, 2, jap. Aku tukar certificate. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Wait, it's shut down?
We just got here. How's it already closed? And who told us to come here in the first place? Oh, it was...
Paycheck? We still haven't got our paycheck!
Mesti kita boleh tukar karakter. Oh, ni akan ikut mission lah kan. Selalunya dia akan Oh, tak ada apa-apa.
Hello, Cap. Are you there?
Are you talking to me or hosting a block party?
Just
I
Spider-Man
found
kan.
him 6th floor, middle room, facing south. But next time, I'm done playing the delivery guy.
Memang pack lah game ni
Did your
aku
cover
rasa.
get blown?
Dekat game ni ada dekat mobile weh.
The time. What's taking you
Oh,
so
open world
long?
ni game ni.
Huh? I'm already skipping red lights as it
Pack
is.
dengan oh macam mana lah dia punya
Good thing I'm
coding
chill,
game
or
ni
I'd
kan.
be robbing all their takeout.
Game
Forget
ni.
it. Just make sure you don't get caught.
Chill. I'm almost there. I won't get pinched.
Hey! Cap? Cap!
Register. Kita tahu lagi bila akan keluar, adakah ke depan. Ya, tak sabar, aku nak game ni. Aku nak. Sangatlah tunggu dia punya keluar game ni kan. Sebab aku mostly main game GTA lama. And then dia vibe anime pula, style GTA. Lepas tu dia ada style Watch Dogs, dia ada style apa lagi? Spider-Man kan. Tak kisahlah lu kata tiru ke apa kan. Tapi aku nak main juga. Aku nak main sebab there's something new vibe lah untuk game ni. And then kita boleh tengok lah mission dia macam mana kan. Okay. Kalau korang minat Ananta punya trailer ni, korang minat game ni, korang boleh tekan like, tekan subscribe and komen dekat bawah berkenaan dengan game ni guys. Korang suka game ni ke? Korang tunggu ke? And then apa harapan korang dengan game ni nanti? Okay, jumpa lagi for next video. Assalamualaikum. Bye 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 bye.